getting the first part assembled here. So we're taking the feet of the base, inserting them vertically, and then snapping them down into place. And they're just kind of semi into place. What we're going to do is flip that whole thing over here in a second and push it down so it's fully extended. You just push right on the top there and kind of snap each one into place. Now it's nice and firm and safe, and we're putting in the wheels there, and they just snap in. Doing that for every single one, making sure we hear a good snap when we're putting them in. Now there's that centerpiece that holds the seat, and there's a little shroud that goes around it, so I put that on before inserting the base. And there's the fixture that screws to the bottom of the seat. There's the fasteners we're using. Comes with all the fasteners and the Allen wrench that you need. So loosening the screws and installing that bottom seat fixture. This thing's gonna hook into the back piece eventually, and allow for the movement of it. Now these are for the footstool, the footrest that comes with it. It actually slides into those two brackets that we're putting on there. Just getting those nice and firm, going through and tightening everything up. And now we're putting the adjuster. This is for the seat up and down, this first one. So you just pop that little set screw off, slide the lever over it, and then tighten it back up. Do the same thing for both levers. One's for the back piece, the tilt on it, and the other one's for the up and down on the seat. And here's the footrest. It just slides right in there. And that piece right there, the footrest board cushion itself, it just affixes to that bar that's going across there, that tube. Just fastening it up real good there. Just kind of showing how it moves. It'll fold and slide underneath the seat. Now we'll go ahead and put the seat right on the post there. You got 360 rotation, folding up the footrest. Nice smooth rotation on it. Now it's time to get the back part, the backrest of the chair going. And then you want the ridge on that metal piece facing out. The thing has a natural arc to it. It's a rear facing arc, and so you don't want the thing facing forward. So there's the fasteners. Just putting those in there and tightening them down. And there's 3 fasteners for that bottom connection. Getting them nice and tight with the Allen wrench. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the lumbar portion. And it just connects with a couple straps with some quick disconnect clips there up through the back of the seat, and then just kind of wraps around longitudinally and hooks in the back. And the headrest is very similar. Just connects right through the opening on the top of the backrest there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the armrests on, and those 4 long pieces, they're also marked right and left with R and L. There's the fasteners that go in there. Pretty self-explanatory at this point. Once you get the right and left on there, slap the fasteners in there and tighten them down. There's a couple little black caps that go over that too, but there's the gel pad, and go either under your butt or in the lumbar portion. And here's a look at the seat. We absolutely love it. It has a vibrate function on it too, so we hooked it up to an external battery and love this feature. And it'll just constantly vibrate. Your lower back, you can move that around too. Super comfortable chair. Whole bunch of us tried it out, and we all absolutely love it. There's the caps for the armrest that just snap over the top there, and here it is in action.